Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, J-Rock Yoga. I'm Jess, and today by the end of this video, you're going to learn how to practice Utkatasana, or chair pose. Let's get started. Okay, so for chair pose, let's come to the top of your mat. And we'll have the big toes touching, heels just slightly apart, maybe an inch or about as much as you can slide a pencil in between the two heels. And then on your inhale, we're gonna root down through the feet and bend into the knees so that the fingertips begin to graze the floor. Like you're sitting down in a chair, sweep the arms straight up over your head. And I always like to say, we're in a chair, we're not in a bar stool. So keep the tail nice and low to the ground. You can think about the weight shifting back into the heels, toes can lift up, and then really magnetize the feet together, magnetize the inner thighs together, hug muscle to skin to bone here. And then once you get up to the core, I want you to think about finding your low ribs. And once you find them, magnetize and pull them almost like there's a string attached to the low ribs and toward the pelvic floor. Pull them in toward one another. You're going to notice that the tailbone drops down toward the floor when I do that. It doesn't tuck forward, it just drops and elongates the spine. And then reaching the arms up overhead, spread the finger bones nice and wide. We can start to lean the heart open and back like it's on the chair. Keep squeezing the low ribs down and in. You should start to feel this a little bit. And take a couple breaths. There you have it, Utkatasana, or chair pose. I hope this video helped you explore this pose a little bit more. If you liked it and you like more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to follow me on any other social media, my Instagram handle is @jrockyoga and my website is www.jrockyoga.com. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next week.